We've gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a detailed and comprehensive look at the Galaxy Projector for Bedroom, HD Image Star Projector, Galaxy Light Adjustable Knob. This review is based on what real users have experienced, so you can make an informed decision. If you already own this product, please leave your thoughts in the comments to help others decide if it's right for them. Now, let's dive into the details. The Galaxy Projector is an intriguing device designed to transform your living space into a mesmerizing starry night or cosmic wonderland. It features 13 film discs with various celestial scenes ranging from the solar system to the Andromeda Galaxy. The projector uses high-quality optical components to deliver vivid colors and detailed images, and it includes a focusing knob to ensure clarity. With its 360-degree rotation capability and a timer function for convenience, it promises an immersive experience for both kids and adults who are fascinated by the universe. However, does it live up to expectations? Let's start with what users like about this product. Many reviewers were impressed by the variety of film discs included with the projector. The ability to switch between different celestial scenes adds versatility and keeps the experience fresh. Users also appreciated the simplicity of its 3-button control system, which makes it accessible even for children. The timer function was another highlight, allowing users to set it for 1 or 2 hours or let it run for 4 hours by default. This feature is particularly useful as a nightlight for kids who have trouble falling asleep. The rotating projection adds a dynamic element to the visuals, creating a soothing atmosphere ideal for relaxation or bedtime routines. Some users noted that their children loved watching the stars and galaxies slowly move across the ceiling, which helped them unwind and drift off to sleep more easily. Additionally, the projector's compact size and lightweight design make it easy to move between rooms or take on trips, adding convenience to its list of benefits. Despite these positive aspects, there are several areas where users felt the product fell short. One of the most common complaints was about the projection size and quality. While the product images suggest that it can cover an entire wall or ceiling with a seamless cosmic scene, many users found that this was not the case in reality. Instead, the projector creates a circular image with visible edges, which can break the illusion of being surrounded by stars. This limitation was particularly noticeable in rooms with standard 8-foot ceilings or when placed on elevated surfaces like desks or dressers. Another issue was the brightness and clarity of the projections. Although the focusing knob helps improve image sharpness, some users found that the details were still difficult to make out unless the room was completely dark. Even then, certain slides appeared blurry or lacked vibrant colors, which detracted from the overall experience. A few reviewers also mentioned chromatic aberrations at the edges of the images, where colors like blue and red would bleed together, further reducing clarity. Build quality was another area of concern for many users. The projector is made primarily of lightweight plastic, which some felt made it feel cheap and less durable. Several customers reported receiving units that were damaged during shipping due to inadequate packaging, while others experienced issues with internal components breaking after minimal use. For example, some noted that the rotation mechanism would stick or stop working altogether after a few weeks or months of use. While FlyEagle's customer service was praised for promptly replacing defective units in some cases, not all users had success in resolving their issues with the company. Another drawback mentioned by reviewers was the lack of an internal battery. The projector needs to be plugged in via a USB-C cable at all times, which limits its portability and placement options. The included cable is only 3 feet long, which many users found inconvenient as it required them to use extension cords or position the projector close to an outlet. Considering its price point, $38.99 on sale or $49.99 at full price, many users felt that it did not offer good value for money given its limitations in projection quality, build durability, and overall performance. Some suggested that a lower price point would make it a more reasonable purchase, but still recommended managing expectations before buying. In summary, while the Galaxy Projector has some appealing features like multiple film discs, simple controls, and a timer function, it falls short in key areas such as projection quality, build durability, and ease of use due to its reliance on a short power cable without battery support. It may be suitable as a novelty item or nightlight for children, but might not meet expectations for those seeking an immersive planetarium-like experience at home. If you're considering this product as a gift or decor piece for a child's room or casual use during special occasions like parties or movie nights, it could still be worth exploring. Just be aware of its limitations before purchasing. If you already own this projector or decide to give it a try after reading this review, please share your experience in the comments below to help others make an informed decision.